How to use Google Maps walking directions. So you want to navigate from one place to the other, but Google Maps maybe is, let's say, giving you the vehicle navigation instead, but you want the walking distance. So let's say from one certain location you want to go to other location right here. Now when you tap on directions, normally it will give you this little option that says car. So when you tap on start, it will give you this particular car location, but what you have to do is select the walking icon right here and you tap on start, then it will give you the walking directions. So you can always choose to cancel it. If you're on a car icon right here, just change it to this walking icon, and you'll also see the estimated time and the distance where you can tap on start to be able to use that particular direction. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then basically use Google Maps walking directions. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.